Hello guys, this is Augusta from Ilobyte, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a purchase in Ilobyte. Now you simply click on transactions, click on purchases and expenses, then you click on new purchase. Click on new purchase. Here we are. So you fill in your branch. Maybe asking what's the difference between a purchase and a purchase order. With the purchase order, it's as if you are standing in line waiting to buy something. But in purchase, it's as if you just simply walked to the counter, paid for what you wanted, and you got it. So that's the difference. The order, there's still time, but a purchase is just, okay, take my money and give me what I want. So I want to order from, let's say I want to still order from a mini air fryer. Okay, then this is okay. Do you have a purchase order and new purchase? This is if you've already made an order for it before and then you now want to pay for it. That is, you have been on the line and now it's your turn at the counter. You now want to pay for it today. This is where you can now use the purchase order. If it's something you've not made an order for, you can just click on new purchase. Okay, so I'm going to click on new purchase and then enter the item description or code. Our item is what? STK146. That's our air fryer. So I click on air fryer. The details are showing here, and then items field. I have filled the items field already. Alright, so this is the payment amount 0, balance due 85,000, total discounts nil, grand total 85,000. So I'm going to simply click on save. Let's go and manage our purchase. Let us see if it is there. Manage purchases. Okay, it seems to be there. Invoice number, PUO, Mimido air fryer, date, amount. Okay, that is fine. And now this is just how to create a purchase in under transactions. You create a new purchase, fill in everything that needs to be filled, the branch, the vendor, then you search for your item and then you click on save. So that's how to create a purchase on Ilobyte, and I'll see you in the next video.